Hello and welcome. Today we will use off-shoulder dress pattern. You can download it from the link in the description. Today we will be sewing a dress from knitted jersey fabric using threads and elastic. There will be a side slit on our model. I will leave a small notch to indicate where the slit will be, and a notch on the sleeve on the front part. We make a yoke from the remaining fabric. Now we begin to join our pieces, the front to the back. Joining the side seams. At the waist and definitely at the hips. So slightly stretched to prevent the seam from splitting. On the right side there will be a slit on the back. I left a notch where the slit begins, and we pin the dress up to the notch, but we definitely compare the bottom part to make sure it is even. Here is our slit, up to which we gather our dress at the side seam. Then we overlock the slit. I pin a needle 5 cm above, and 2 cm above that slit we overlock the front and back separately. That's how our slit turned out. Connecting the side seam. Here's our notch under the overlock. Noticeably, we fold it together and overlock 1 cm below our slit. That's how I connected our slit. Connecting the back. Now we are processing the hem of the dress in the round. We begin our sleeve, gathering the sleeve individually, usually from the front half. Our notches on the top, so we don't get confused. This is the front. We also immediately process the bottom of the sleeve in the round. Turn the sleeves to the right side. The notch is the front part, and we pin from the side of the sleeve. And now we overlock along the sleeve. That's how our sleeve turned out. That's what our little dress turned out to be. Starting on our yoke. I folded our yoke in half and now I'm overlocking it on the both sides. I cut the elastic sew into the side of our yoke. We took 13 centimeters and we will be sewing it on stretched. That's how I pinned our elastic, and now we will be sewing it with a zigzag. I left 3 centimeters at the top, 1 centimeter will go into the seam, and the rest will go into the fold. Here I left 1 centimeters at the bottom. That's how our elastic turned out. When we turn it out, we get such a gathering. We proceed to our yoke, attaching it to the dress. I find the middle of the yoke, back and front. Pin it so I can see from the inside and the face where my middle is. I do the same with the other part. Find the middle, pin it, set aside. On the front and back, I also find the middle by our sleeve seams. Fold the front, find the middle, pin a needle. The back is marked, but we also find the middle of our sleeve. Fold the seams, also pin. Find the middle of our sleeve. The second part exactly the same pinned. Now I apply our collar, inserted inside our dress, and the seams apply to the shoulder. The stitch will lie on the face side. Pin the second side part. That's how we folded everything, and now we process it on the overlock. I start sewing from the back armhole seam. That's how we sewed our yoke. And I want to lay a stitch here at 0.5 centimeters so it doesn't turn to the face. Such a stitch we got from the face and this inside the collar. Proceed to the slit where our overlock ended. I lower it by 1.5 centimeters and overlock with a small corner on the machine. That's the stitch we got, and now we can overlock our slit. When we turn it to the face, here it will lie exactly on our slit. We pin. pinned one side of our slit and we go to iron to press it. Now I mark 0.5 centimeters from where we finished and make a stitch at 0.5 centimeters. Sew neatly, without stretching, we overlock. That's how we overlock our slit. We decided to overlock the hem at 4 centimeters, so I draw 8 centimeters and iron it folded at 4 centimeters, laying it out without stretching. We ironed the hem, now pin it and overlock the hem of the dress. That's how our hem turned out. Proceed to the sleeves. I draw 5 centimeters. And also now iron it folded. Next we sew the bottom of the sleeve. We stretch the sleeve a bit. If we don't stretch it, it will split when worn. Not much, just a little stretch the fabric and along the stitch edge of the overlock we sewed. That's how our sleeve hem turned out and the dress is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. You can also download the pattern for this dress from the link in the description.